Shelly with Fancy Sprinkles, and today we're going to be making St. Patrick's Day themed confetti sugar cookies. Now, I often get asked what my favorite dessert is, and as much as I love making fancy, crazy, over-the-top desserts, my absolute favorite dessert is just a plain old cookie. Whether it's chocolate chip, oatmeal raisin, confetti, I love cookies. There's something so comforting and nice about them. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my confetti sugar cookie. It's super soft and sweet and just delicious. It's so easy to make as well. And to decorate them, we're going to be using Fancy Sprinkles' newest set, which is the Charming Rainbow set. It comes with these two blends. This one is Rainbow Connection, which we're actually going to put in the cookie dough, as well as Charmed, which is super pretty and green. We're going to be putting it on top of the cookies. It also comes with two prism powders, Emerald Green and Sapphire Blue. And to decorate it, we're going to be using Easy Candy. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to use. We're just going to melt it and drizzle it on the top. All right, guys, I'm in the mood for some cookies. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. All right, so to make the cookies, we're gonna need half a cup of butter at room temperature, 1 egg, half a cup of white sugar, a quarter cup of brown sugar, vanilla paste or vanilla extract, and you're gonna need a cup and a half of flour. And then I already went ahead and added 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. All right, so we're gonna start off by creaming the butter and the white sugar and the brown sugar together. And this process is gonna take like around 5 minutes or so you don't wanna rush it. You really wanna make sure it's nice and creamy. And you also have to make sure that the butter is at room temperature and that you are using a paddle attachment in your stand mixer. About 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to place it on this silicone mat. You can use parchment paper, either one works great, and you want to make sure to leave at least 2 inches apart from each one of them. Now that they are all placed on the tray, we're just going to want to flatten it out a bit with our fingers, just so they are going to be a little bit flatter when they bake. And we're also going to place this in the fridge for at least an hour, or you can leave it in the fridge for up to 2 days. Okay, so to decorate our cookies, we are going to go ahead and heat up this Easy Candy for 30 seconds, and then we're going to knead it. I just took it out of the microwave, and it's still not completely melted. I'm just going to knead it a little bit. And then I'm going to place it back in the microwave for 30 seconds. So now the Easy Candy has completely melted, which is great. I don't feel any clumps or anything like that, which is nice. And now I'm just going to cut off the top, and we're going to drizzle it on our cookies. How cute. Also, they smell amazing. I wish you guys could smell them, but better yet, you guys should try and make them. Even if you don't know how to bake, I promise you, this is a very easy recipe to try out. Everything comes together really quickly, and you literally cannot fail at making them. Also, decorating it was super easy using Easy Candy. I literally just melted it and drizzled it on the top, added sprinkles, prism powder, and we just elevated our cookies like that. As always, guys, I had a great time. Thank you so much for watching. And if there are any other videos or recipes you guys have in mind, please comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fancy content. Thanks, guys.